Hi everybody, it's Reina with double.High and I'm so happy to show you my Apple Watch Series 6 case. It's this one here and I love it. For me, it's very important to keep my device safe from scratches, bump, and everyday wear and tear. So I couldn't be happier with this case, especially it's very beautiful. I decided to choose the color red and has a black frame all over the screen that I love because it's in combination with the sport band and I can go to the gym with this case and I love how it looks. And also I love that the case is very thin. It's ultra thin, so it's looks very nice in my Apple Watch. For me, this is a good investment and I really recommend this case. And that is my point of view.